Hi, my name is Kathy. I am very pleased with the result by the Manorama SEO team doing for my business. I am really thankful to the team. They guide me what's wrong with my website and what I need to do. I learn SEO as well as SMO. A lot of thanks for their manager, Chinmaya. He guides me what is the best for my site promotion. Before working with them, I don't know how is SEO works. They guide me and they do what my business needs. One of the most important, they created a very good banner for my site. I'm very happy working with them. I will never forget them and their help for me. I'd highly recommend them for you. They will doing every SEO related activities for your site. Thank you so much.